Question number 7. Um, y equal 4 minus 3x. This is a negative gradient and go for 0, 4. Y equal minus 3x plus or negative gradient, and so I will draw like this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is the one, this is going for 0, 4. Equation of this line is y equal 4 minus 3x. Y equal 4 minus 3x. And there is a point here. This point name is free. We know from here to here this origin distance is square root 34. Now we want to find two possible coordinates. So we know that this is square root 34. There is another point. This is also square root 34. So we want to basically find those 2 points. We have this equation in our, and we know the length. So if I take x value is a, what is the y value? Now I want to find b. Let x equal a, then y equal 4 minus 3a, 4 minus 3b. So what is this point? So 4 minus 3a. If this is a, this is 4 minus 3a. I found out. I assume x equal a, then y equal 4 minus 3a. Now I have the a and b, the coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate, with one unknown. Now I want to make an equation to solve. And I know the equation because this is origin. Origin is 0, 0. So I'll take this is O, then dpo equal the square root 34. Then dp also we can find from the formula a minus 0 square plus 4 minus 3a, a minus 0 and 4 minus 3a minus 0 square, the square root. So a square 4 minus 3a square, square root. Now those two are equal. Then a square plus 4 minus 3a square equal square root 34. Now those are equal. Hence a square 4 minus 3a square equal 34. Now I have to simplify. A square 16 minus 4 times 3 12 double 24 a plus 9a square equal 34. 9a and this 10a square minus 24a plus 16 minus 34 equals 0. So 10a square minus 24a minus 18 equal 0. Now 10a square minus 24a minus 18, 0 divided by 2. 5a square minus 12a minus 9 equal 0. I can break this is pi x plus 3 and x plus 5x plus 3 and x minus 3 equals 0. X equal minus 3 over 5 or x equal 3. Oh sorry, a. Now I have two answers for A, minus 3 over 5 or A equal 3. So coordinates are A, 4 minus 3A. When A equal 3, this is 3, this is 4 minus 3 times 3, which is 3, 3 comma 4 minus 9, 3 comma this is minus 5. So 3 minus 5, 1 point. And when A equal minus 3 over 5, minus 3 over 5 comma 4 times 3 times minus 3 over 5, which is minus 3 over 5, 4 plus 9 over 5. So minus 3 over 5, 29 over 5. So those are the 2 points. 3 minus 5 and minus 3, 29 over 5. The same sum we can work a bit differently, still the same. This is y equal 4 minus 3x. And this is the setup as usual again. I will consider this point x and y. Then I'm going to write an equation with x and y because I know this distance is square root 34. Then d p o I can write x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square. Which is a square plus y square. Instead of a, now I take x and y. That's the difference. Now, also I know dpos is square root. This is 34. Then what you can tell, x square plus y square equal 34. It means x square plus y square equal 34. It means, what is the meaning of this? Is a equation of a circle. So the radius of this one is square root 34. Now I have this equation in my hand now. What is it now? X square plus y square equal 34. Now I have this is a equation of this circle. This equation, this circle, so this circle crosses a line. We know that to find the intersection point, we have to solve those two equations, circle equation and line equation. Y equal 4 minus x. Now I have to simultaneously solve. Now y equal 4 minus 3x will solve simultaneously. X square plus y square mean I can write 4 minus 3x square equal 34. X square plus 16 minus 12x plus 9x square equal 34. 10 square minus 12x minus 18 equals 0. Now I divide by 2. 5x square minus 6x minus 9 equals 0. 5x plus 3 and x minus 3 equals 0. Then x equal minus 3 over 5 and x equals 3. Now previously, now you have to work out. Um, from 1, when x equal 3, y equal 4 minus 3 times 3, which is 4 minus 9 minus 5. So one point is 3 minus 5, same as when x equal minus 3 over 5, y equal 4 times 3 minus 3 over 5. The answer was 29 over 5. So minus 3 over 5 and 29 over 5. But you should be able to handle both ways. Question number 8. We want to show that ABC triangle is scale and triangle. Scale and mean triangle mean the distance are different. Basically, DAB not equal to DBC not equal to DCA. So we'll find AB distance and we'll find BC distance and CA distance, and we want to show that they are different. So DAB mean, I'll take this one. This is 27. 2 minus 5 square, 7 minus 6 square root. This is going to be minus 3 square. This is going to be plus 13 square root. 9 is square, 169 and 178. Now DBC mean BC 8 minus 5 square minus 6 minus 6 square, which is 3 square plus 0 minus 6 plus 6 0 square, which is simply 3. And DCA 8 minus 2 square and minus 6 minus 7 square root 6 square minus 13 square 3669 205. Now you can see that 178 not equal to 3 not equal to 205. Hence DAB not equal to DABC not equal to DCA. Hence ABC are ABC is a scale triangle. Part B is find the area. When you have this kind of question, you better draw properly and see whether is there any easy method, because this is a triangle. Half a base times height is the only formula we know. Now you can select any base. We found out the distance, but the problem is we don't know the perpendicular height. Now see whether we can get help from the drawing. So this is going to be 2, 7 somewhere here. Then 8 minus 6, 8 minus 6, 5 minus 6 here. This is 2, this is 5 minus 6. This is 5 minus 6. The other one is 8 minus 6. So this is minus 6. And this is the height. Now this is the triangle. Now I can see that I can take this is as a base. Up to here 8, up to here 5. Then what is this distance? 8 minus 5, 3. So triangle area of ABC, half a base times height. Half a base is now 3. Now height is the issue. I know this height. This height is unit 6. It means this is unit 6. And I know this height is, this is 2 and this is 7. Then I know total height is 7 plus 6, 13. Okay, height is 13. So 39 over 2. So this is the answer. Square unit. Question number 9. When I read this question, I can see that they will ask about the area. Then I thought, okay, better to write proper picture. So y equals 7, x minus 3. 7 is positive gradient and minus 3. So it has positive gradient and minus 3, this kind of equation. 0 minus 3. So this is the equation. And you know that when y equals 0, in this point y value is 0, then when it is 0, x is going to be 3 over 7. Right. And the L2 is this one. 4x 4x plus 3y minus 41 equals 0. It means 3y equal minus 4x plus 41. Y equal minus 4 over 3x plus 41 over 3. I divide by 3. So this is positive 7 gradient. And this is also negative gradient it has. But it will cut 0 over 41 over 3. It means okay, when it's going to be something like this. Negative gradient and y equal, when x equal 0, basically 41 over 3, 0, 41 over 3. And this point they are talking about A. And I don't know, okay, let's look at what is the work out the coordinate of A. So I want to work out this coordinate first. So this equation is y equal minus 4 over 3x plus 41 over 3. Y equals 7x minus 3. Then I will actually write this form 4x plus 3y minus 41 equals 0. This is 1 and this is 2. From 1 and 2, 4x plus 3 times y mean 7x minus 3 minus 41 equals 0. I just substitute this y value to here. Now it is equation with x. 4x plus 21, take the bracket out. 21x minus 9 equal 41 equals 0. 25x equal 50. X equal 2. Okay, coordinate of this one is 2. X coordinate. Then from 1, y equal to 2 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is 1. So actually this gradient has to be negative. Um, so in negative gradient means this side. So it has to be something like this. This is 41 over 3. Now I have this coordinate is 2, 1. From 1, let me bring x equal to, from 1 is y equals 7 times x equal to minus 3. So 7 times 2, 14 minus 3, which is 11. So this is 11. And yes. Now L2 line crosses x-axis at B. So I have to work the graph. I have to rework this one. This is 211. What is this one? Y equals 7 x minus 3. And this one. This is A point. This is B point. And the equation of this line is 4x plus 3y minus 41 equals 0. Now we want to find the B point. At B point we know y equal 0. At B point, write y equals 0. Then 4x plus 3 0 minus 41 equals 0. 4x equal 41, x equal 41 over 4. So this is 41 over 4. Now what is the question? Work out the area of triangle AOB. So this is OAB. So this is the triangle we need. This is the base. 41 over length is 41 over 4. Perpendicular height. Do you know this height? This height is 11. So that's why when we draw properly, it is easy. And uh, OAB equal half a base times height. Half a base is 41 over 4. Height is 11. 451 over 8.